Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel. Today I'm going to show you one way that you can get rid of dandruff, and this is a very simple recipe to make. So if you've not yet subscribed, feel free to click that subscribe button now. To create this green tea rinse for dandruff, I'm going to soak 2 organic green tea bags in 8 ounces of hot water. Green tea has antifungal properties which can help get rid of the fungus that causes dandruff. The fungus is known as Malassezia fungus, and this is what causes dandruff. So you just want to soak it in the hot water for about 20 minutes or so. So after it has been soaked for that long, you're going to take the tea bags out and you'll be squeezing that tea bag to quickly drain everything out. You're going to add about 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. If you have apple cider vinegar, you can use that, but today I'm using white vinegar. And white vinegar in this rinse will help balance the pH of the scalp and also reduce like oily production. Now I'm also adding about 2 to 4 drops of peppermint, and peppermint is known to kind of give you that cooling effect on your scalp, and it also helps to get rid of dandruff. It helps to stimulate blood flow and blood circulation and so much more. So after mixing it all up, you're going to take your mixture and you're going to pour it into this spray bottle. Now I'm using a spray bottle, but you can pour it directly on your hair if you want to, but for me I prefer using a spray bottle because I can target it to my scalp, which is the main area where I want to focus on. Now green tea is good also for shedding, so you can do green tea rinses for shedding. Some people even say green tea rinses for hair growth. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start spraying my scalp with this green tea. One thing that you can also do is you can also start off with wetting your hair with some warm water and then pouring this green tea directly to your scalp and directly to your hair. Now when you are doing this, as you see me spraying it to my scalp, I'm massaging my scalp. So if you want, you can spray this throughout your scalp and then massage your scalp for about 5 minutes or so. You don't want to do it too long because, well, it doesn't really matter. If you want to go longer, you can, but I know your fingers are going to cramp up. So just spray everything to your hair, and once you're done doing that, you can proceed to leaving it in your hair for about 10 more minutes if you want. If not, you can go directly and shampoo your hair. Now after doing this, I did shampoo my hair with a sulfate-free shampoo, and then I did my deep conditioning session. How often can you do green tea rinses to your hair? I do this about once a week. The mixture I make is enough for 2 weeks, and the way you can store green tea rinses is to put it in the fridge. So after I spray this to my scalp, I will then take the remaining one and I'm going to just put it in my fridge and then use it. So this mixture of 8 ounces lasts me for 2 weeks, and I'm washing my hair once a week. So another question is, can you leave this in your hair permanently? No, I don't advise you leaving this in your hair permanently just because of the apple cider vinegar or the white vinegar that you choose to use. I would say you should, if you want to leave it permanently in your scalp, then you can just skip the vinegar, but the vinegar is actually one of the things that helps you in this mix. So if you want to know how to make green tea rinses and leave that on your scalp permanently, you can click on that link that pops up where I show you how to use green tea as a leave-in to help with shedding and hair breakage. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other video requests, please send me a message and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.